Cobalt. Cobalt's an interesting element. It has some beneficial effects. It's not vital for plants to have adequate cobalt for them to go from seed to seed, as it is with the essential elements. Cobalt's very much seen as a beneficial element. It is pretty much available in most North European soils, but again, take-up and availability can be quite variable. It's very important for all the leguminous crops that they should get adequate supplies of cobalt, because without them they don't form the nodules on the roots which have the nitrogen fixing bacteria in them. They don't form very efficiently at all, and growth and development can be quite restricted. So for leguminous crops, peas, beans and any other legume, it really is quite vital. There's another aspect of cobalt as well when it comes to forage crops, particularly grass and maize, because cobalt is one of the elements that is vital for animals to be healthy and have a good reproductive capability. And so there are products like our essential material which will provide cobalt sprayed onto and absorbed by fodder crops, along with elements like iodine and selenium, which are not necessarily vital for the plant's growth, but are vital to be there in the adequate amounts for the animals eating that fodder. Otherwise we're into expensive feed supplements, not all of which are as efficient as they might be. The other area where cobalt becomes important is in lateritic soils. Those are the soils that were never covered by an ice sheet during the ice ages, and they're heavily weathered, and they tend to be short of elements like cobalt and selenium, and one or two others, molybdenum particularly. So cobalt for legumes and also for fodder crops.